Hey, Mack, tell these niggas, man. It ain't hard to get it out the mud. Get off your ass and get it. Quit being lazy, nigga. Niggas talk all that shit. My nigga Mack paved the way for you niggas, man. Fresh home from the joint. It's that YTB shit. Hey, Mack, talk to them niggas. Machiavelli, motherfucker.
They said we got that juice, nigga, my team hot. I got that juice, nigga, Raheem shot. Yeah, nigga, I love my hoes. Stacking bands up from the grams I've sold.
I can't lie, my nigga.
No, we do it in our section.
Trap. Ayy, dope zone. Dope fiends calling both phones. Flash a dub at the narcs, get the fuck on. Dope zone. I get them in, then I get them gone. Just pay an extra 10 if you want it strong. Ain't about what you spend, but who can last long. Cause shit can get hectic in this dope zone. Dope zone. Dope fiends calling both phones.
It's 420 and we want to know who want that smoke. Give it up for the ladies real quick. Battle it to my left. Make some noise.
Lulu Cheekz. Oh. It's Lulu Cheekz in the building. JBF Dump Gang. You already know what the fuck it is. You feel me? And I'm finna show y'all why the fuck they called me Lulu. Okay. And why the fuck I deserve a shot with the Badlife bird.
Okay? Make some noise.
It's Badlife bird in the motherfucking building. You gotta leave the motherfucking mutants alone.
Leave the fucking mutants alone.
All right, what we doing? We doing a coin toss?
Y'all should play rock, paper, scissors. One
time.
Look. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 2 out of 3. Let's go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. It's smaller.
Where's the coin? Who got the coin? Who got the coin?
Hey, look. Who came the farthest?
Badlife call it. She running shit.
Carl, you want me to catch it or let it drop? I'm gonna let it drop. What's that?
Tails.
Pete Bird.
It's 3 rounds?
Dang, just 3 rounds? I ain't even nobody.
It's 1 and 3.
Huh? 1.
You pick, it's on you or you gave it to us?
I gave it to me.
Okay. Badlife, it's on you.
Let's get it. I'm not taking no more battles with rookies. For nothing less than a grand. I don't give a fuck if this bitch a lord in that ring, doing the best that she can. This shit I spit certified. Lethal punches, some say I'm the best in the land. I had to put my bars on file like I got registered hands. Okay. Now let's talk about some real shit. Okay. See, you the type of bitch a nigga never chill with. Okay. And I'm the 8 with niggas I never again share a meal with. That's why I keep a semi-automatic I concealed in this very building. I'm finna pull your can back like I caught a case and need something that appeal lids. I'm a sharpshooter. This pussy bitch far looser. I switched the date on this hoe. I felt like she should die a lot sooner. This bitch said she the coldest in the game. I'm a lot cooler. Potato on a barrel. That bitch resemble a large tumor. I'm you bitches worst nightmare. Talk! Fuck that shit. Let's go. I'm you bitches' worst nightmare. Shout out to Lex Luthor. Tutoring you bitches for the game, I made you my star pupil. I could've ended C-Bree career, that black ass bitch hired behind dark rumors. I let that dumb bitch live cause her life by far crueler. You ain't the first bitch that stood in front of me I had shaking. I switched the clips out. I'm finna shoot past this bitch and hit her mama with this Lightning McQueen. I'm drag racing. Okay. You asked me not to do you this bad, I'm past favors. Forensic stand over your body looking puzzled with jazz faces. Okay.
Go.
Hold on. Talk. Somebody asked me about the shots Bank sent. They wanted my take on it. I said that nigga gon' die tragic, you niggas can bank on it. That's a broke ass.
Hey, Banks know he a clown for that for them rookies.
Hey,
Let her work.
hold it down. Talk, Bird.
Somebody asked me about the shots Banks sent. They wanted my take on it. I said that nigga gon' die tragic, you niggas can bank on it. That's a broke ass nigga talking about he got some land with a lake on it till I spill blood and put his brains in foreclosure to bank on it. Alright, my bad. I apologize for the mix-up. I said Badlife Bird versus Lulu Cheekz. And I know y'all niggas looking at me like Badlife Bird ugly, but that bitch Lulu beat.
Shit like that. Let her work.
I said I apologize for the mix-up. Badlife Bird versus Lulu Cheekz. And I know y'all niggas looking at me like Badlife Bird ugly, but that bitch Lulu beat. I said I'll take this battle one-on-one circumstance. And I know that shit gon' hurt the champ, but her little sister gotta take this ass whoop and exit stage door left and go back with her circus camp. I don't wanna hear how you a drug dealer and thug killer. Bitch, don't stand in my face trying to punch in with that long filler. And shout out to a real pillar in the community. Cause Chief seen me, I'ma go get him. Yeah, Clarissa can shield these hands, but wear a bulletproof vest when these slugs pilling. My mind on the tip of the ledge.
Yo, y'all better give it up for the ladies. I said my mind on the tip of the ledge. I stump this bitch out, get a good grip on her head. Fuck boxing, I'm going WWE. You Ric Flair, bitch where? Woo! Finger four lock, now she gripping the air. There you go! Hey, run it back! Run it back!
That was fire, cuz.
Let her rap! I said you don't feel me now. Your shit not for the law. Your shit not for the gods, it's not law. But you don't feel me now. That cutthroat, that rock raw. And bitch, even if I was half the man these motherfuckers say I am, that's a technical foul, bad call. Cause when you posted your nasty ass on Facebook, I couldn't even get my rocks off. You invested your time in dying. Bitch, where they do that at? When my guns exchange, you gon' think your brain sent me a kiss how I blew them back. I had time to spare, so what I care. But even you knew that. I hope this bitch got 9 lives. I call this Black 9 Salem. He shooting bullets every which way. My little voodoo cat. I was finna feed this bitch soul. This is just a simple dish. I'm trying to see if you ticklish with a simple trick. When I pop you in your mouth and kill that herpes, this pimple lit. A massacre. Only took this battle to flatter her. She my biggest fan, but we are not alike. Different merit, different caliber. I know you finna come hard, but I'm coming from a lethal diameter. Now imagine her dead on arrival, fucking with the queen. Consequence of you niggas gassing her. My bad. Right. I ain't running it back. Run it back. No. This what you wanted, huh? Bitch, next time make a better selection when you choose names. If it was ever a question of who reigns, just know I made a huge gain for spitting that dope shit, the fire burning, extending blue flames. I got this black bitch blue looking 2 shades. Okay. Her fast pace, my heart race, but I'm on top of the chart.
That was funny.
Let it work.
That was dark.
Let it work.
That's what I was wearing.
I'm fast paced, my heart races, but I'm on top of the chart. You got throwback pussy, that's something I didn't even know what hurt. I put my foot on you bitch's neck, I clamp down, I'm about to tear you a hot part. I can make this bitch breathe hard like I was stopping he hurt. I'm the queen of the ring. I be killing you bitches more than they be making it seem. Give me my spot or I'ma take it, get the snake in between. I keep something on my hip for any bitch taking 1 from the 10. You gon' think you called my phone, nobody home the way I'm letting them ring. And when I was a kid, I got my ass whooped for everything that I did. Imagination out this world, I even imitated smoking with twigs. I started putting my thoughts to action, shit becoming a gig. Smoking out camps, bullets stretch across grids, feeling the shit like, Mom, look what I did. I got a gun so big. I get it, you mad. I feel like I wasted my time, but I just wanted to brag. You can stand tall like blackface, but these choppers gonna sit you dead on your ass. And then that nigga TDH hit me up and told me to do a promo piece. I got weak. Like, what the fuck is there to say about a bitch they call Lulu Cheekz? I don't fuck your name, Lulu Cheekz, when your name should be Bubbles. Little chimpanzee do light swings in a tussle. I said Lulu Cheekz. Word on the streets, you got some loose cheeks. You be sucking dick like a star and you don't use no teeth. Go deep throat for the guys and you be letting niggas fuck you for cheap. Your mattress nasty as fuck and you don't own no sheets. Why you posting your nasty ass in the battle group? You think that shit cute? Yeah. She did. All right, well how cute is you? You about as cute as 00 Boots. I said, why you post your nasty ass in the battle group? You think that shit cute? Yeah. Okay, well how cute is you? You about as cute as 00 Boots. Your word on the street, man. Fuck no! Fuck no! Y'all got me fucked up. Fuck it. Let me get her to get done. I know you was gonna do that.
Talk that shit.
All right, hold it down. Go ahead, Bird. Finish it out. Let's go.
Yeah, can't do this down the battle. No, I'm saying. Okay.
Talk that shit, man.
All right.
Finish strong.
But anyway, I wasn't even done with Oscar. That nigga said my name too many fucking times. He lucky to be alive today. That nigga been sniffing too many lines. It's about to be his last stop. Cause that nigga got sugar in his tank. And since he think he the Fresh Prince, I'm shooting 30 from pump 8. I'm finna fill up banks.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, talk about it.
You ain't even got no fucking footage. So I ain't even had nothing to feed on. This your initiation, bitch.
Always.
I gotta see how you can put the team on. Can't no weak bitches be in my camp. You see it's just me all the week gone. I was hiding down in the bushes by myself looking for bitches to leap on. Now if I let you in, bitch, it's gonna be some rules indeed. I don't wanna hear about how you a hoe. You gon' suit up like a queen and lead. And delete them fucking pics out the group. Cause should no nigga know what you got in between and no more ass shots unless you showing your ass in the ring.
Hey, girl. Talk that big sister shit. Hey, you go, girl. Go, girl.
That was great. That was
I said you ain't even got no fucking footage. So I ain't had nothing to feed on. This your initiation, bitch. I gotta see how you can put the team on. Can't no weak bitches be in my camp. You see, it's just me all the week gone. I was hiding down in the bushes by myself looking for bitches to leap on. Now if I let you in, bitch, it's gonna be some rules indeed. I don't wanna hear about how you a hoe. You gon' suit up like a queen and lead and delete them fucking pics out the group. So cause no nigga know what you got in between and no more ass shots unless you showing your ass in the ring. Look at me when I'm talking to you. This bitch cockeyed as shit. Bitch, you good? You need some water? I got an AR, call it Nasty Noob. His shoe good. He got a starter. The grind be tough.
I
said you good? You need some water? I got an AR, call it Nasty Noob. His shoe good. He got a starter. The grind be tough. TDH, you need some more bitches killed and just sign me up. I'm coming wild as fuck like twerk, no battery pack, just wind me up. Sign.
Yeah! Lulu, baby, it's on you. Let's go. Wait a motherfucking minute, man. Bird, I told your ass you was gonna come and rap for a long ass time.
Shut up, limited room.
Yeah, but I ain't got unlimited shit. Look, Bird that took this battle, and I don't know how to act now. On some real shit, I ain't even have to get prepared for this, cause bitch, I'll never back down. Cause these 223s from the front, will tear this bitch back down. Oh, I'll pimp you right if I let the Mack down. The back drop your flat top and turn your insides into a background. Now that's the bloody scene.
Come on, man. Come on, man.
Yeah. I said, bitch, I'll never back down. Cause these 223s from the front, I'll tear this bitch back down. Oh, I'll pimp your ride if I let the Mack down. The back drop your flat top and turn your insides into a background. Now that's the bloody scene. Bitch, you came here to get you and your niggas sweat up. Now that's the bloody scene. Bird, bitch, you said you was gonna come here and kill me. You out your bloody dreams, and I hope y'all wasn't comparing me to this bitch. Cause we two different things, I'm a pig, and she's a motherfucking mutt. That means two different breeds. So don't come trying to test my waters, bitch.
Come on, man.
Don't come trying to test my waters, bitch. I will wreck shit, set trip, cause ain't no bitch ever slid down my block and I ain't wrecked. Wait a minute. Take your time. Take your time. I'm big, girl. I've been standing up for a long ass time in this bitch, man. Come on. I'm trying to be cute. Okay, boy. Hold it down. Let her rock. Let her rock. Hold on. We gotta get y'all some water. Let her rock. I said, don't come trying to test my waters, bitch. I will wreck shit, set trip. Cause ain't no bitch ever slid down my block and I ain't wreck shit. You was a whole hoe out shit. And that little mouthpiece is reckless and you a little disrespectful bitch as well. So I take you gonna respect this. Be glad I ain't beat your motherfucking ass shit. All that bullshit you talking so far-fetched, but you catch this chuka like a Zeke dick. Yeah, I get into this type of shit. Yeah, I get into this type of shit. So let me go on and apply the pressure, see if you turn into a different type of bitch. So don't come here talking all that pistol play. Cause I get with the shit, bitch. I'm down for whatever. On top of that, I wasn't raised to shoot. I was brought up like knuckle up, bitch, and you better not lose. Got a little older, that's when I ready to shoot her off the hip. 10 milli with the cooler, and all cause you a shoot. Don't mean that you a shooter, PS9. Put the roller on the Ruger and push this bitch off like that plan, Man, fuck no. Oh, hell, fuck no. Hold on, wait a minute. Yeah, y'all don't make this right. Hold it down, hold it down. Come on, now this is our first time. I said, all because you a shoot. Don't mean that you a shooter, PS9. Put the ruler in the ruler and push this bitch thoughts back Adam's apple land mandula. Now, Bird. Bitch, what's the reason you come here acting tough? Tougher than you really are. Oh, cause that pistol on your hip, them little bitches in your car, you probably won a couple fights and now you bragging about the scars? That's a goddamn shame. Cause I know your background, that ain't really who you are. You the type of bitch that's quick to pull a trigger and ain't aiming that shit. Cause you're wise when you shoot, cause you praying you miss. I'm telling you to your face cause I think you wrong word. I said no, but I love this. I said no, bird.
Hold it down.
Come on now, goddamn. Okay, boom. I say now, bird. Now, what's the reason you come here acting tough? Tougher than you really are. Cause that little pistol on your hip, them little bitches in your car, my bad. You probably won a couple fights and now you bragging about the scars. Well, that's a goddamn shame, cause bitch, I know your background, that ain't really who you are. You the type of bitch that's quick to pull a trigger, ain't aiming that shit. Cause you're wise when you shoot, cause you praying you miss. I'm telling you to your face, cause I think you a bitch, and the wrong words off this bitch lips. Gonna have her springing for the fist, and that's on me. No, a bitch, I eat meat, so a vegetarian. I go Lulu in this bitch.
Go Lulu.
I am trying. Okay.
Hold it down.
Damn, what the fuck I say? I forgot for real. I say, hell, fuck no. I say, damn. I said the wrong words off this bitch lips. Have her springing for the fence, and that's on me. No, bitch, I eat meat, so a vegetarian don't want the beef we talk about. Cause the cigar pop this bitch lid like a coffee pot, and I squeeze till this bitch lungs collapse and the coffin stop. Cause if it's the problem, it ain't much to talk about. See, TDH, these bitches pure pussy, and I'm here to shake them up. Cause I wanna know if this little bitch really about that shit, or is this hoe just acting tough? So swing my way with them problems. The 40 gonna start acting up. Bitch, I'm leaning when I shoot. I'm off a double cup. Oh shit, man, my bad, y'all. I fucked that up. I meant to say I lean in when I shoot. Had this bitch sipping off a double cup. Broad day like dumb shit. Shoot through my pocket. Bullets hit this bitch chin like an uppercut. You bitches better toughen up. Cause this battle rap shit can go either two ways. Catch these slugs or feel some type of way and think you wanna knuckle up. Okay? Bitch, I'm Lulu Cheekz. They say I'm cuckoo for motherfucking Cocoa Puffs. Okay. And it's just one me in this bitch, and I'm guaranteed to tear this motherfucker up. Never in my motherfucking life have I ever gave a Lulu fuck. See, I'm the shit if you didn't know. So you can definitely catch these hands or kiss feet. Like when I walk, that's pigeon toe. Bird, all my haters. Bird. She talk that shit. Let me talk my motherfucking shit. Let me talk my shit. Let me talk my shit. Let me talk my shit.
Run it back.
Shit. I say I'm the shit if you didn't know. So you can definitely catch these hands or kiss feet. Like when I walk, that's pigeon toe. Bird, all my haters to kiss my ass like my jeans wrap a milk so see. Any bitch to try me physically will be biting dust or meeting Jesus. See a bitch with a damn.
Take your time.
I say any bitch to try me. I said any bitch to try me physically will be biting dust or meeting Jesus. See a bitch with an iron mouth, get an iron fist, and Nighthawk smash shit. You better off trying to pick a fight with Clarissa Shields. See, Bird, you said you was gonna daughter me. I've been around many streets. You should have came for me differently. Grown woman in the game. You rap bitches not shit to me. And all you hoes fold under pressure. This time I let the shit get to me. See this bird bitch that lost a lot of fucking marbles till I knock the ooh on her cuckoo clock and leave her startle. Choke the life out the bitch. It's the body. Now it's nothing. Now it's nothing. Now it's nothing. The millions nothing.
Keep going.
Wait a minute.
Yo, you dudes better keep this same energy.
I love you, bird. Keep going.
Talk that shit,
Okay, look, I say, damn, I said this bird bitch done lost a lot of fucking marbles till I knocked the ooh or the cuckoo clock and leave her starter, choke the life out the bitch. It's the body, now it's nothing the mutants Dr. Xavier can do about it. Man, shit. No, fuck that, I got a couple more bars. Fuck y'all, y'all gotta suck my dick. I said I wasn't gonna crack no jokes, but this is my only joke for you, bitch. And that's why I'm gonna talk about shit tomorrow, bitch. You gotta be fucked up, bitch. Look, I say, cause she came. I want to do your thing. So boom. I say, damn. I said, damn. Well, let me run that shit back. I said, this bird bitch that lost a lot of fucking marbles. I said, this bird bitch that lost a lot of fucking marbles till I knocked the ooh out her cuckoo clock and leave her starter, choke the life out the bitch. It's the body, now it's nothing the mutants Dr. Xavier can do about it. I say, damn. It's just, so y'all know. Hold on, fuck that. Okay, look, I say, boom. Hold it down, now shit on. I say, y'all dare this bitch to crack a smile while it ain't shit funny. I'ma smack the shit out this Elmer Fudd looking bitch like Bugs Bunny. I said this bitch came here to get bodied by a 96 baby. Yep, I be on that young and crazy shit. But fuck that, I ain't even got a scheme. No, fuck C-Bree. I ain't even got a scheme. Cause the wrong words off that bitch lips gonna be like, dodge boy, she better duck or swing. Okay, and I'm gone. Fuck that.
Go ahead.